Everybody, Dr. Dennis Mariano. I just wanted to share something with you that's really amazing. So this is Becky, right? So we just adjusted her. We're at a TLC seminar right now. With 300 chiropractors in here. We help each other, fill each other up. But what I wanted to share with you today was what just happened a couple of seconds ago. So tell us what happened, what your challenge has been.
For about 6 months, I've had great pressure and pain in my ears, and I tried all sorts of different things, and Dennis was here, and I was thinking about him the other day because I've had neuro-emotional work done before by Dennis, and it worked really well for me, and I was like, Dennis, I'm having this problem with my ears.
So tell me a little bit more about the problem, like how long you've had it.
For about 6 months, my ears haven't been draining. So I get swelling in my ears and pain, intense pain, and nothing takes the pain away.
So what have you done?
I've done regular chiropractic adjustments, I've done homeopathy, I tend to do more natural things, I've gone gluten-free, dairy-free, I've done diet changes, none of it seems to work.
So you've been suffering for this for quite a while now.
Yeah.
So what we did today is basically the technology that we use. We use the holistic chiropractic adjustment. One of the most important tools we have is the Avant laser. So what it does is that it's a really powerful laser. It's 635 nanometer frequency, and what it does, it shoots photons into the tissue and tells the brain to heal. It's a very simple product, however it's so powerful. You can see it goes right through my thumb there. So this is one of the most important instruments that we use to upregulate our. We're going to make another video another time to show you exactly what we did. But I wanted to share this with you because this happens all the time in our office. And here's another thing. If you know anybody that's having a health challenge that don't know what you know, please pass this video on to them. They will thank you for that. And also, like this video also on Facebook or on YouTube that we're going to be posting this on. And if you yourself are having challenges, don't be afraid. It's one of the safest things that you can do. It will never harm you, but you will gain the benefit from it, and you would stop suffering and have hope once again. So this is Becky. Thank you for doing that, Becky.
Thank you.
I'm Dr. Dennis Mariano. Until we meet again, talk to you soon. Take care.